Along a quiet French street, where the windows were dressed in ribbons, florals, and softly faded paper, there stood a little boutique filled with beautiful things. Perfume bottles rested beside gathered blooms. Ornate labels were tucked into drawers. Delicate papers, hand-tied parcels, and floral keepsakes waited upon the polished counters as though they had been prepared for someone very dear. Everything inside was chosen with care. A bouquet bound with ribbon, a bottle of perfume sat upon the counter, a handwritten tag slipped beside a cluster of ivory blossoms. The shop was not grand in any showy way, but graceful in the manner of old boutiques, feminine, inviting, and full of lovely details that made the whole place feel touched by romance. Petals Parfum is inspired by that world of soft French charm, where flowers, paper, and fragrance were gathered into small, everyday treasures. With powdery blue and ivory tones, vintage-style papers, delicate labels, and perfume bottles, floral tags, and elegant little embellishments, this collection feels as though it's been gathered from the drawers and shelves of a charming old French boutique devoted to beauty. It is a place of petals on the counter, parcels waiting to be tied, and shelves lined with the lovely things chosen not for grandeur, but for grace. It is now available in my Etsy shop.